for you, so watch them this time. You don't have to do it right now, but next time we'll bring you up a couple at a time in front of the judges to do the dance. So watch them closely. It's called the easy Plattler because it's so easy. Okay. First three gentlemen, come on up, and you watch them, you watch our guys do it, so now you keep your eyes on the judges, and you're doing this for the judges. Okay, are you guys ready? Out kids.